In this video, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate and oat balls. The ingredients you will need include 250 grams of butter, 4 cups of oats, 1 cup icing sugar, 4 tablespoons cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons cold coffee, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and a coating of your choice. First, start by combining all the ingredients really well. Then, put the coatings you chose into a bowl. Using a spoon, scoop out even amounts of the mixture and roll them into balls. You will then roll these balls in the coatings you chose. Place the finished product in a container. Make sure you chill them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes before serving them. Enjoy! Make sure you like and subscribe. Also, check out my other videos as well as my website for more recipes, tips, and tricks. See you in the next video.